I have no brows because a few years ago I had cancer and the chemo side effect was I lost all my body hair. Luckily, the hair on my head grew back, but my brows came back very sparse, as you can see. So this is how I draw them in so that they look natural and won't wear off throughout the day. First, bare face. Start with a completely bare face. Clean skin. Do your skincare, let it dry, and then take a cloth of some kind and wipe all that skincare out of your brows. If you have any moisture or cream or oil or anything on your skin where you want to draw in your brow hairs, it will not stick. So start with clean skin, and I also recommend using a eyebrow pencil because it is the easiest to use. Get something that matches your undertone. I like to use dark gray because I have cool undertones and dark hair, and it actually looks really natural. So once you've decided on that, what color to use, and cleaned off your skin, you're going to look straight in the mirror. I have one right here. It's just a little bit off camera. Put it right there so you can see it. So look in the mirror straight on and then work from side to side to keep your brows even. As you can see, this one's a little bit thicker than this one. Do not pluck them. This is the way they grew in. So I like to start, there's different ways of doing this, by drawing the line underneath the brow and stopping at the tail, where the tail would start. So that's one done. And then I do this one. This one's a bit thicker. And then from here, I work side to side to even that part out. Once that's done, I work on the tail, and I start with this one because I have a tendency to draw this one higher, and then I work on this one to even it out. This is just a preference because I like my brows to look as close to twins as possible. Okay, so now I've got pretty even brows, and now I'm gonna fill in this section. And I like to fill in with strokes that go against the grain because it just looks better for some reason. Now work from side to side and even them out. Brush through and fill as you go. When you brush through, go with the hair grain. Okay, so now I've got pretty much even on both sides. And now I'm going to, because they're too far in, can you see? They're too far over this way. I'm going to fill them in towards that, you see? But not completely. I want it to look very natural and dispersed. So what I like to do is I do it in strokes like this. So see how that grew forward? And now I'm going to do the other one. And just like hairs grow in layers, as I bring it in forward, I'm going to start it over. Let me show you a little bit more. So the next layer, bring my eyebrow forward. Work from side to side. Make sure it's even. Comb through. Really work on getting a gradient at this front part because brows are not hard there. They actually thin out right there. And you may just have to work with it a little bit to get the kind of look you want. Look from all angles to make sure that you're not missing any spots. Because if you look straight on, you might miss something. So you want to turn side, look down, look up. So there it is. There are the brows, completely filled in and drawn on. Now once you do that, you're going to clean up around your brows. I don't use a highlighter. I use my regular concealer that I use all over my face. And this is so that when I apply my foundation, I don't get too close to my brows and mess it up because it's already done. So you're going to just like that. See how it's not highlighting? It's literally skin tone. Blend it in. Now from here, if you want to, you can take your brush and sort of pat and melt the color in just right there so it looks more natural and less harsh, because what we're going for is a natural look. And that's one brow cleaned up. And I'm going to do the rest of my makeup to show you the very last step. So I will be right back. Okay, I have finished all of my makeup and my brows are almost completely done. Now I'm just going to ensure that I have even tails and haven't wiped anything off before I get to my last step. Just gonna go back and kind of reinforce. Now they are powdered, so reinforce anything that might have disappeared while I did the rest of my makeup. Now I am going to use a product that I will never ever be without. This brow top coat. This is the one by I Envy. Give it a shake. Put it on your brows. And I'm telling you, this dries clear, non-shiny, nor too matte, and your eyebrows will go absolutely nowhere. They are set for life. And that's how you get eyebrows that will last all day when you have none.